She was a moon child, as mysterious as the night, never one to show the world her sweet, beautiful light. So she tucked herself away behind the ever-brightening sun, never once trying to outshine anyone. She never once thought about how much she was worth, but remember all the moon has done for the earth. You are terribly unique in a terribly fake world, and I think that is why you often find that you are all on your own. I know the world will hurt you and make you want to crack, but never forget who you are, because there is power in knowing that. Some say the world will end in fire, others say will end in ice, but I am the burning deadly fire, and being frozen would be way more nice. The stories have forgotten me, but cities burn fires in my name, because they know that the fire inside is impossible to tame. They say I'm the kindest Olympian, because they haven't seen my rage. I've seen the destruction fire causes, so I lock it inside a cage. I am the oldest and the youngest god, the mighty protector of the home. I am the most powerful god there is, even if I gave up my throne.